If you already own a couple of properties already and you want to get started in property development, it's so easy, especially now with the last couple of years of growth. It's so easy to just redraw that equity that you've got on that property or those properties and use it to jump into a deal. Now, I started my very first deal with no money. So if you don't have any money, you're starting from ground zero. In my honest opinion, it's actually just as easy whether you start from zero or whether you start with already existing properties. As part of my program, I actually teach people how to buy properties using no money, using creative finance strategies, and the negotiation tactics, among many other things in the buying phase, will be very different to what 99.9% of property investors are doing at the moment. They actually don't know how to buy under market value. And I'm talking about substantially under market value, not just getting a $5,000 discount on a property. I'm talking about $50,000, $100,000, even like in the millions of dollars in discount. I'm talking about not just, some measly discount that's barely going to cover your stamp duty costs.